or explain can take of unit with the landlord. Here is the second branch in national unit. Let us take the distinction next nationalism to them means complete freedom to expand the country resources of men and materials and to build up their protein or as inexperienced put to develop the country to do this. There require a great deal of contract over the state leaders element to complete count. Once what sign that is took wrestling to sexual they would be as well the with generate calculation of searching content, i.e. with reflex. The India industry class have grown up under this again of employments and is complete at its merging economic and political. It have no other federal support as the Israel bombing and had is the USA in India itself. Its growth have not resulted in such benefit to the people, nor have it so made it inflict on the economies or culture life of the continue us to a wrong and great anthems and support for itself. The result is the invalidity of this class to open implements at best it can put pressure on it. What even this process it is unable to extol a class the only member in which it can be possible to be external on implement is why inadequate and supporting helping other classes with less state to do so. This help to it will with dark if the object the possible is any others than what is determined by the interval of the class. Though we see first the in these India industry are unveiled, there will to open in place. Second, that they would be set filled with factual for economics department, and third, there would support nationalism only where it enables it place them in the set of power have is the third branching in national unit. Let us take the festival. No, India is land of president. If Indian nationally have any meaning, it should means the freedom of the president. What is that freedom? Above all, it is freedom from exploit in speech of whether that exploit is carried on by a brown or white skin. It is put the opinion to express the nation's economics and political policy in accordance with their over-interest. In short, it a president Raj as for method of state president have always known only one method: direct action. Such action However, is a dramatics for the freedom operates as for the navigate. It is never therefore that in the instance of the letters the president do not become custodian of these economics and political digest in the world national unit breaking up as so as the president become calculating have is another branch in unit like with the work freedom means freedom from where select by social ownership of means of products like the president that works open to it direct action any they too must not become class calculation so that national unit many we making a class calculation working class means the breaking up national unit is a physics branch. The above analysis has shown that there is no such thing as national unit which the socialists are trying to direct nationally does not mean the same thing to all the classes within the national. It is not to be simply expressed as the origin of the few including some classes in the very nothing for are for the influence of those that are against some are incapable of opinion and those that are in a position to do so have fundamental integrated opinion to throw off the first. The analysis showed factual that the national unit means in reality that the lower classes the men should fighting in place not to searching their over freedom from exploitation but to the belong and the lady management who they still do not participate in the fighting in the place of the Himalayan power. This unit can be mentioned only at the cost of mass calculation. Jai Hind.